Maybe you are familiar with the Nújiang, a valley crisscrossed with ravines and gullies. Ancient and mysterious people, and the village where humanity and gods live together. However, their voices, maybe you have never listened to them carefully. A long time ago, the Lisu people were inspired by the rainbow and raised the first ropeway over the Nújiang River. Hence, their voices began to spread across the world. In villages along the remote Dulong River, old women with tattooed faces are weaving the rainbow. They are still keeping their most ancient skills alive. In the depths of the Nújiang Valley, there come the sounds of climbing the mountain, of swords plunging into the sea of flames. Listening to them can make one afraid. In Nújiang live many craftsmen. The diligent craftsman Lao He is one of them. He has handcrafted numerous musical instruments. When it comes to craftsmanship, the hand-picked pilaf of Nújiang is quite unique. Listening to the sounds of making it gives you quite an appetite. After eating the delicious pilaf, people love to break into song to express the joy of life through singing. Speaking of music, Nújiang people are born with a gift for music. Their stage is not confined to the television, but maybe near the fireplace. In the field, and in the valley. Besides, the voices and chorus of the Lisu people is like a song from heaven. For every person of Nújiang, wherever they go, their home will always be the place where the heart is. The sounds of mothers calling, of farmers working in the field, of footsteps in the realm of memory, and the crackling fire in the home fireplace. Every sound evokes strong nostalgia. For Nújiang, its changes have transcended a millennium. Treacherous mountainous paths of the past have changed to smooth highways. The village is taking on a new look. The city is growing day and night. Here and there, you can hear the sounds of Nujiang development in the new era. The mountain goods we purchased come from Dulong River, the most remote place in China. Where, aside from large stretches of dragon fruit, you can also find fields of mature Taoco spices. In Nujiang, children receive a quality education, and parents earn a stable income. Even the old men and women relocating from the mountainous area have started their own learning journeys. Every sound tells the story of a prospering Nujiang. Every smile reflects the beauty of Gaolingong mountain range. These are the voices of the people of Nujiang.